Today unboxing are my recent Mini GT edition, and that's the pair of LBWK Lamborghini Huracan GT and also the Nissan GTR in Martini racing. Both are very stunning casting, and the Lamborghini Huracan is the add-on with the other two variants in red and white. This Lamborghini Huracan in yellow is a USA exclusive for MiJo. Unlike the regional version, you can see it comes in a blister pack, although it's interesting to note that the Toys R Us in Japan also sell Mini GT in blister pack as well. The box art and the packaging looks very striking with the contrast of color and also very clean cut. Behind is the authentication sticker, and it's also distributed by M&J Toys in US, along with their social media channel in Facebook and Instagram. The selling point for Mini GT is authentic details, diecast body and chassis, and limited edition run. Social media channel included as well for Facebook and Twitter, and Mini GT is also now officially on Instagram, so do follow Mini GT official for their latest updates. And now let's read the Lamborghini Huracan GT out from the blister. Box wise is very similar to the original release, it's just that their background are reversed, sharp looking casting just like the other two variants, with very striking color in yellow. The entire casting looks clean and sleek with the LBWK body kit. The yellow body color gives a totally different vibe from the red and white version. Like the body color combination together with the gunmetal, intricate and highly detailed casting that's very presentable. I can see Mini GT really invested a lot of effort onto this casting. The wheel set rolls extremely well, just like the rest of the Mini GT release. Excellent details on the rear, and also the realistic side mirror that's surprisingly in elastic, which you can't tell till you feel it. And overall, a very solid release from Mini GT. Next, the LB Works Nissan GTR in Martini racing livery. The box design is similar to the current Lamborghini Huracan GT, the official Nissan license claim, and also the TSM authentication sticker. And this Nissan GTR is a right-hand drive. The Martini racing livery on this GTR looks equally as fantastic as those in Porsche. The matching wheel sets in red goes extremely well with the theme. I love the sleek and dynamic Martini racing livery that goes along very well with this GTR. Intricate details just like the rest of the GTR, and also a very refreshing feel with this Martini racing livery. The signature rear for this GTR is beautifully replicated with the Liberty Walk on the car plate. And this Martini GTR is no doubt a very solid casting to add into our collection. Very happy and excited on this pair of recent edition. This Huracan GT will definitely pass very well with the coming Mercedes Actros in yellow. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!